you struggling with your research? You might be making some common mistakes that are slowing you down. In this video, I will share 3 big research mistakes students make and how to fix them so you can save time and improve your work. Welcome back to Learn with Dr. Yemi. If you are new here, I share research tips, academic writing hacks, and project guidance to help students like you. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. Mistake number 1 is choosing a topic that is too broad. Many students pick a research topic that sounds interesting, but they don't narrow it down enough. It becomes difficult to focus and you end up with too much information to manage. Example of a broad topic is impact of climate change on agriculture. You can make it better by looking at how climate change affects maize production in northern Nigeria, or pick your own choice of crop, not agriculture in general, and also specify your own location and don't forget to include time frame. Mistake 2, skipping the literature review. I've seen a lot of students skipping the literature review or doing it incorrectly. Many students just summarize sources instead of analyzing them critically. Why is the literature review important? Literature review helps you to understand what has already been done. It prevents you from reproducing what other people have researched on. Then when you do your literature review well, it shows you gap in the knowledge. This will help you to frame your own research better and you'll be able to contribute to the existing body of knowledge. Now, how to do it right? Find relevant paper, not just any paper. Look for a paper that is relevant to your work. We are going to be talking more on that. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow me on all social media at Learn with Dr. Yemi. First, compare and contrast different viewpoints and make sure you use proper citation. Let me give you a pro tip. Write your literature review as an argument, not just a summary. Show how papers argue, which one supports each other and which one is contradicting the findings of others. So you'll be able to write your own in a logical and argumentative way. Mistake number 3, writing without a clear structure. Many students just write without planning. How do you fix this problem? First, outline your paper before writing. Don't start writing without having outline. 2, follow a clear structure: introduction, literature review, methodology, results, discussion, and conclusion. If you want me to send you a structure for your thesis or paper writing, you can put in the comment section structure and I will send it right to you. So you need to make sure you keep the sentence clear. Good writing is not about using big words. It is about being clear. Whatever you want to do must be clear enough for people to understand what you are working on. So let's recap the points. The first is to choose a narrow and focused topic. 2, do a proper literature review. 3, structure your research writing clearly. Now, I have a question for you. What is your biggest challenge in research? Let me see it in the comment section. I should love to help. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with a friend who needs this. I will see you in the next video.